Welcome to today's video where we explore 10 advanced Python tricks to help you write faster and cleaner code. Let's dive in. These powerful features allow you to create more concise loops, making your code both faster and easier to read. This handy function is a game changer when you need to keep track of both the index and value while looping through an iterable. With zip, you can combine two or more iterables and iterate through them in parallel, saving you valuable lines of code. Unpacking allows you to assign multiple variables at once, making your code more concise and expressive. Decorators are a powerful tool for extending the behavior of your functions without modifying their code directly. Context managers, used with the with statement, ensure that resources are properly managed and released, even in the face of exceptions. When working with dictionaries, defaultDict is a subclass of the built-in dict class that provides a default value for missing keys, eliminating the need for manual checks. The iterTools module provides a collection of functions for creating iterators that operate on iterables more efficiently than traditional looping constructs. With comprehension syntax combined with conditional expressions, you can filter data with ease and elegance. FuncTools provides tools for working with functions and callable objects, allowing you to write more expressive and concise code. And there you have it, 10 advanced Python tricks to help you write faster and cleaner code. Be sure to try them out in your next project.